You can add your fleet of business cars to QuickBooks, track mileage, and even associate billable mileage to customers and jobs. The first thing you need to do is add your fleet of vehicles to QuickBooks. To do that, select Lists from the top menu, hover your mouse over Customer and Vendor Profile Lists, and then choose Vehicle List. I already have a vehicle in here. To add more, click Vehicle at the bottom of the screen and then choose New. You can type in the vehicle. This is for your own purpose, and you can also add a description. You can put in something that's going to identify the car, such as a VIN number or a plate. From here, you can click Next to keep adding to your fleet or click the blue OK button when you're done. To edit a vehicle at any time, just double-click on it. I'll click the X to close out of this. Now let's tell QuickBooks what the current mileage rates are. Select Company from the top list and choose Enter Vehicle Mileage. This is going to bring up a screen where we can enter mileage for the vehicles that we just added. I'll be showing you how to do that in a different video. But for now, click Mileage Rates at the top of the screen. Here's where you can see some previous mileage rates that the IRS has issued. Every time the current mileage rate changes, you need to come back in here and update it, so that when you run reports, you can see how much money you can be reimbursed for those miles. To add a new one, click inside the effective date and put in the current date. Then you can change the rate. From here, click Close. Your mileage rate has now been saved. You can click the X on the top right-hand side to close out of this box. Now that we've added our fleet of vehicles, we've told QuickBooks what the current mileage rates are, and in a later video, I'll show you how you can apply those rates to time and billable jobs that you do for your customers.